Today I'm showing you how to mention all members in a WhatsApp group on your Android device. Let's get started. Important note: WhatsApp doesn't have an @everyone or @all feature. You need to mention each member individually using the symbol. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp application on your Android phone. You'll be taken to the Chats page. Step 2. Select Group Chat. Scroll through your chats and tap on the group where you want to mention all members. Step 3. Open Text Bar. Tap on the text bar at the bottom to open your keyboard. Step 4. Type the symbol. On most keyboards, switch to the numbers/symbols view to find it. Step 5. Select First Member. After typing a list of all group members appears. Tap on the first person's name to mention them. Step 6. Add a space after the first mention, then type again. Step 7. Mention the next member from the list that appears. Repeat this process for each group member. Step 8. Continue for all members. Keep typing and selecting members one by one until you've mentioned everyone in the group. This can be time-consuming for large groups. Step 9. Add your message. After mentioning everyone, type your message explaining why you're tagging all members. Step 10. Send message. Tap the Send button, and all mentioned members receive a notification that they've been tagged. Tips: mention only necessary people to avoid spam. For large groups, consider if mentioning everyone is truly needed. Members who muted the group still get notifications when mentioned. Only mention all members for important announcements. Limitations: no shortcut to mention everyone at once, time-consuming for groups with many members, and can be seen as annoying if overused. And that's it. You now know how to mention all members individually in a WhatsApp group on your Android device by using for each person.